Hi guys, Attila here from Cylanda. Have you noticed that most of the cybersecurity news you hear about is for successful cyber attacks on big companies, schools, and hospitals? But did you know that the primary target for cybercriminals are companies with less than 500 employees? It's like a soccer game. Now, the problem is that small businesses, they're outmatched by cybercriminals funded by nation states. Highly organized criminal teams. And scammers looking to disrupt and steal from Americans any way possible. Ow! Good call, ref. Now, let's beam over to your business. One to beam up. According to a recent study, 46% of all small businesses have been the targets of a ransomware attack. And of those companies that were hit with a ransomware attack, almost 3/4, that's about 73%, paid a ransom. 43% of small businesses paid a ransom between $10,000 and $50,000, and 13% paid more than $100,000. The bad news is that of those who paid, only 17% recovered some of their company's data. Now, looking more into the study, it showed that 55% of the successful attacks were on business-to-business or B2B companies, and only about 36% were business-to-consumer companies, that's B2C companies. So let's summarize here. If your company has fewer than 500 employees and you're in a B2B business, there's a 46% chance the ransomware is going to make its way into your company, and that there's a 73% chance that you'll pay the ransom. And that ransom is going to cost you anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000, and even after you pay it, you only have a 17% chance that you'll actually get your data back. According to another study by Symantec, 60% of companies that experience a data breach will go out of business within 12 months. This study's findings could be a part of the reason why. High ransomware payout, but low chance of getting your data back. By the way, these are conservative numbers. Most of the folks we work with get back and running after a ransomware attack. They don't take part of a study or make it public. I'm sure it's much worse than these numbers. So if you don't want to be a part of that 46% that gets ransomware and the 60% that go out of business afterwards, listen up for my takeaway. Ask yourself, what does your business continuity plan look like? A BCP, it's a written document, and it lays out some disaster scenarios, how those scenarios might affect your business, some strategies to recover from those incidents, and a plan to do so. For extra credit, we recommend an annual tabletop exercise where the IT department runs through some of those scenarios in your BCP plan, and it's to discover what changes need to be made in your company to make it more resilient. Now, if you're not sure where to start, the Department of Homeland Security, that's the DHS, they've posted a free guide and a template right here. I'll also put a link to it in the description below. Now, every time we do one of these tabletop exercises together with the IT department, there's always surprises. Anyways, guys, if you can't get to this today, be sure to put a BCP meeting onto your calendar for the near future. It's important to plan your company's survival from a cyber attack. Your employees, customers, and community are depending on you to be resilient. I'm Attila from Cylanda. Stay safe out there.